Here I have Motorola E7i power, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Samsung Galaxy Buds Live headphones to this device. So firstly you have to open its case, enable Bluetooth, and then tap pair new device. And when you see this device in a list of the available devices, just tap on it and it will be connected. So if you want to disconnect from this device, tap on the gear icon here, and here you have two options. You can either disconnect or to forget this device forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.